people who are dealing with data sitting right beside me, and they'll come in and help in providing clarity over this. The utilization rate has picked up greatly because we have now rolled out infrastructure where can cater for higher demand of bandwidth. Okay, so I think we looking at the international capacity when we took over the asset from Telecom and installed the Kumu submarine cable and Coral Sea. It grew from 3 gigs now. We are all the way up to almost 100 now. It's for international capacity transactions. Okay, that's in terms of the utilization. It's still small compared to the infrastructure that we have laid out. In Fiji, they're using around 300 gigs for a population of 1 million people. And we've got around 11 million people. We're using only around 100 gigs. So utilization uptake is still slow, meaning several factors. One, not a lot of digitalization is happening in our maybe public and private sectors. That will drive up the utilization. Second is the rollout of 4G capability in the country. It's still low. So 4G and 5G are regarded as broadband services for mobile. It's only around 40%, strictly speaking. So that's very low compared to Fiji, over 100% mobile broadband penetration and uptake. Yeah, so those are some of the reasons why the utilization is still low. So we need more 4G network around our country. We need to increase the coverage. So rollout has to continue. And then also educating our people to use digital technology. So that's why we're working closely with the schools to try to make sure that they start using this technology now for their learning. We know that in future that's how most of the industry embed themselves. It's an enabling tool now for all of these sectors. Yeah, so awareness and then building up our technical capacity as well. It's very low, we are seeing. Although we are providing accessibility, lower the rates of internet, especially wholesale, and we're seeing also trickling down in the retail market, especially with our local ISPs. I think we now have almost 100 local ISPs operating in the country. And small SMEs, Papua New Guinea. Previously it was around 5, 6 foreign owned. After we came in, made available this infrastructure now, we created competition. And then the ability for our own people to come in and operate in various markets around the country, not only for Muslim, but so that also helped to drive up the utilization. But still, I think mobile penetration needs to continue. More towers are needed. That's why we are also looking at investing in tower infrastructure. That's what we're seeing. And convert the current 2G, 3G network to 4G, 5G. So once you are into 4G, 5G, your backhaul, your main infrastructure needs to be high capacity broadband infrastructure, and fiber is now. Yes, we can use satellite, but it will still be limited once it reaches full capacity and it's shared. So that is I think to answer, it's a lot of factors affecting it, but I think we'll get there, and everybody needs to do their part. The university, the schools, the government needs to transform. The private sector, us, so everybody. We will all become so dependent on these things. Our children will. And that's my point.